Hi folks, I'm making barbecue sauce for a customer. Caramelized 18 sliced onions for the first round with some balsamic vinegar, and then once I've did one round of that for 45 minutes, I think it was bake mode, I added sliced pineapples, 3 sliced pineapples, and then a can of sweet corn, a can of tomato puree, some spices, and then I pressure cooked it for another 45 minutes. I think it was also on bake mode. Now I've got the taste profile just right. The customer wanted it slightly spicy with a little or no sugar, and for health reasons, and no oil, of course. So the consistency is a little too runny, so now it's on keep warm mode, and then I'll put this on keep on mode for as long as 72 hours or so until I get the right consistency that I desire, and then I'll bottle them up for my customer. So I'm very pleased with the color. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it?